How to log in into Arkansas Sales Tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into Arkansas Sales Tax. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have. For example, I will choose Safari. Now you can see I have already searched for Arkansas Sales Tax login. And once you search for it, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. From these different links, click on the second link. Again, click on the blue button that says click here to start over. Now finally, you can now enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forget username or password option. Or if you are a new user, you can tap on sign up option. So in this simple way, you can log in into Arkansas Sales Tax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.